board game, Play for the Planet, A2 to B1 level. This is a Klille game about the very important topic of environmental protection. It presents vocabulary related to the environment, recycling, renewable energy, organic agriculture, food, and so on. The box contains a playing board with 100 circular spaces, a 6-sided die, 60 photo cards, 72 game cards with questions, an instruction booklet. Players can use anything they like as game markers, for instance, coloured plastic bottle caps. The playing board shows different kinds of symbols. Recycling containers for organic waste, aluminium waste, plastic waste, glass waste, paper waste, recycling centres. Go forward the shown number. Go back the shown number. Stop. Die. Set the playing board on a table. Distribute the photo cards in even number among the players. Place the deck of game cards face down on the table. The youngest player throws the die and moves his or her marker along the board. If a recycling bin is reached, the player checks if he or she is holding a card with an item suitable for that bin. If that is the case, the player can continue the turn, throwing the die again. If not, he or she has to stop, ceding the turn to the player on the left. In this case, the player needs a glass object. Great! A jar! The player can continue. Let's see what happens. The die is cast. 2. When a player reaches the question symbol, the opponent on his or her right takes a question card from the deck and reads the question out loud. There are 2 kinds of question cards, multiple choice and true or false. The correct answer is highlighted on each card. If the first player answers correctly, he or she can throw the die again and continue playing. If not, the player on the left starts his or her turn. Skip a turn when you reach a stop circle. Go forward or go back the indicated number when you arrive on these symbols. The winner is the first player to complete the path and reach the green Earth circle. The teacher's booklet is freely available to download from our website too. It contains the game rules, the list of items represented on the photo cards, divided by type of waste, another game idea, the recycling game. Now you are ready, you can play for the planet too. ELI Language Games. The more you play, the more you learn.